Okay, this is the beginning of this incredible blizzard that we're getting in the city. You can see snow everywhere. This is just the very beginning, and supposedly we're gonna get about 18 inches of snow, maybe more. And here it is from the second floor window. It's so windy. I don't know if it's messing up the lens or not, but you can see snow everywhere. This is a major street right here. Cars and trucks drive through here all the time, and there's nothing. And you can see power outages up ahead. There's still some lights on, but this is a blizzard raging through Chicago. Ones with thunder snow, which is like a thunderstorm. There's actual lightning and thunder sometimes. Enjoy it. Out here, horrible and amazing at the same time. This is one of the busiest intersections. Cars and trucks always racing by. Everything's at a standstill. Everything's closed down. Maybe a few vehicles here and there. Yeah, you can see all the snow out here. It's gonna be crazy walking down the steps. The snow feels like it's already up to my knees. It is. Wow. Opening up the gates, all you can see is white. I mean, my God. Oh. People are actually walking out here. This is a very, very... Alright, this is the last of my videos. Side streets are buried. This is the blizzard of 2011.